Pinker. For those who don't know me yet, my name is Ingrid and I welcome you to my channel. Today we are doing something a little different. As you already saw in the title, I am going to be completing the 24-hour challenge where you only have to eat pink food. However, since I discovered I have 7 food allergies, I am going to be doing this plant-based. So I cannot wait to show you everything that I will be eating for breakfast, for lunch, and for dinner, plus 2 snacks that will give you ideas on how you can also do it at home. To start our morning, I'm going to be making a strawberry smoothie bowl. For the smoothie bowl, I also love to put frozen fruit, so we're just gonna pick the strawberries and the raspberries. Next one, you're going to mix it with coconut milk. And I'll be right back. Once you blend it, I will just recommend you to pour it into a coconut bowl and we're gonna start getting ready to decorate it. First, I will slice some strawberries. It will look so much cuter if you cut them in very small pieces. Then I will add oatmeal. Make sure that this one is gluten-free. And to top it up, I will just add edible flowers. You can get these ones in Sprouts. They're usually $1 for 6 flowers and they are very cute. For lunch, I will be making sushi. This is actually the first time I attempt to make it. First, you're going to need to get sushi rice. We are going to cook the sushi rice with 1.5 cups of water for 20 minutes. We are going to get the pink color to mix it with the rice. You are going to be kneading a bit. I will just slice it and add water. We're gonna microwave this for 1 minute to get the color that we need for the rice. You start to see that this turns a very beautiful pink color. To prepare your sushi, we are going to need a sushi mat to roll it. I would recommend you to cover it with plastic. Then, make sure you grab a sushi nori. On top of your sushi nori, we are going to start adding the pink rice. Make sure it's all compact and you cover all spaces of the nori. Once this is done, add an extra layer of the nori. And on top of this layer, you are going to add all of the veggies that you want inside your sushi. In my case, I will be adding avocado, I will also add tomatoes, and I'm going to be adding vegan cheese. You can add anything you might want. Once you're done adding everything in the middle, we're gonna go ahead and start rolling our sushi. Once you have your beautiful roll, you can start cutting it in tiny slices and serve it as you desired. Hey guys, it's time for a snack. I'm actually heading to a friend's gathering right now, but I have a feeling that they won't have food that I'll be able to eat, especially the snacks, because usually they come with soy or wheat or both. And to prevent that from happening, I'm just going to bring my own snack, but I'm also going to make it pink. So what I'm going to be doing right now is popping some popcorn. I'll just do this one. Started using this new brand It's actually a little healthier, but I think eventually I'm just gonna be popping my own popcorn here at home rather than putting it on the microwave. But for fast purposes, I'm just going to do it in the microwave right now. For the snack, I will be making a pink cheesy dip. We are going to need 3 slices of our vegan cheese. We're also going to need beets. You are going to add water in a cup, add the beets and microwave this for a minute. Then we're gonna mix this pink water with the vegan cheese until we get the right consistency for our dip. Once you have your dip, you can serve it in a container and just add your popcorn. Now we're ready to try it. We are going to be making a pink salad. Cut some beets. We are going to add water and we're gonna microwave this. Make sure you also cut some tomatoes. Once you have your pink water, we are going to submerge the lettuce on it. I'm also going to be adding the leftovers of the sushi rice because I don't wanna keep them in the fridge and it will be just nice to eat it right now. I'm actually not going to make them pink, but for the avocado I will be submerging this into our pink water. And to finish this, I'm just going to be adding some of the same pink cheese dip that we did earlier. You guys, this is actually the most pink meal I've had all day. And I wanted to put the rice because I don't want to have leftovers. However, it will look nicer just with the salad. Now let's try it. It's so good. It's like cheesy and really good. However, the cheese is vegan. For our sweet snack, I will actually be making strawberry vegan ice cream. I washed and cut the strawberries and left them in the freezer for 24 hours to start adding your strawberries into your food processor. And if you have a better one than the one I have, you're going to be able to add all of the strawberries, but I'm going to be separating them into 2 groups, otherwise I won't be able to mix everything at the same time. Then I will be adding the remaining strawberries into the food processor and I'm going to add a little bit of milk. We are going to mix everything. Once this is mixed, you can add the remaining strawberry ice that you have, add a little bit more of coconut milk and then mix everything. Once this is mixed, you are ready to serve your ice cream. Hey guys, so this is the end of the challenge. I hope you got to enjoy all of the recipes that I cooked throughout the day. Please let me know in the comments below which was your favorite recipe. Also, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you do. All you need to do is click that red button, and if you want to receive notifications every time I upload new content, just hit that bell twice. And if you guys are not following me on social media, I'm just gonna leave all of my links below so you can check those out. And without further saying, I hope you have an amazing week and I'll see you next week with a new video. Bye guys!